Guys, don't waste your money and your time with skimming blades and all those sorts of fancy things. Hawk and a trowel is all you need to mud good butt joints, good corner beads. Watch this. There's 4 butt joints that I'm going to mud right now by hand with a hawk and trowel. There's this one. And then 2 more on the other wall, so watch how fast it goes by hand. On to the next one. Next one. That's it. 4 butt joints mudded by hand, hawk and trowel. Don't waste your money. Save your time. Learn how to use these guys.